Can you make money from trading? Is it really possible to make money? Well, before I can answer the question, can you make money, we first need to understand the types of trading there are. Well, there's candlestick trading. Candlestick trading, basically you buy low and sell high. The problem with candlestick trading, you need to know how to read candlestick patterns. Then we've got arbitrage trading. Arbitrage is the purchase and sale of an asset to profit from the imbalance in price. It is a trade that exploits the price difference of identical or similar financial instruments on different markets or in different forms. In layman's terms, if you bought an ice cream for $1 in market 1 and you took that same ice cream and sold it to somebody else in market 2 for $5, you would gain $4 profit. That's arbitrage. So how do you find arbitrage opportunities? Well, if you were looking for an arbitrage opportunity in the cryptocurrency space, you're going to need to analyze all the cryptocurrencies on all the exchanges in all the markets, run an algorithm or an equation to work out if there's a profit, taking into account the exchange fees and the blockchain fees, withdrawal fees and so on. Or of course you could have Johnny Blockchain do all the work for you. What is Johnny Blockchain? Johnny Blockchain is an arbitrage trading web software system. Okay, so you don't need to download anything to your computer. Johnny Blockchain provides you with all the arbitrage trading signals. Signals like this one. As you can see here on the left, it's showing you the coin that you're going to be trading with. It's going to give you a profit range. It's going to tell you the 2 exchanges that you're going to need to work with. And of course, you can use our robot or you can do it manually. So now my colleague is going to share with you the arbitrage trading robot in action.
Hello everybody. Now I'm just going to be doing a little test trade here. Now what I've done is, obviously to save some time, is I've chosen this route here, and as you can see what it's asking for is for me to have mine X coin in HitBTC. It's then going to buy Ethereum, so it's going to do that transaction for me. It's then going to move over to this step. It's going to ask me personally to send the Ethereum from HitBTC over to Eximo, and then once it's in Eximo it's going to sell the Ethereum back into mine X coin, and in theory I should end up with more mine X coin than I started off with. So that's the plan. Okay, so we're now going to go over to the bot. So all I need to do is click the Start Robot button. There we are. In the pop-up you can see here that in this account I've got 50.5 MNX, which is the symbol for the MineX coin. So in order to just start the trading, all I need to do is click the Start Auto Trading button, and obviously the bot now will go over to HitBTC. It will take those coins and it will start to trade and buy the Ethereum for me. Okay, so that didn't take too long. So as you can see, the transaction has happened. It's now bought the Ethereum and it's now waiting for me to withdraw the Ethereum from HitBTC back over to Eximo, or Exmo I should say. So what I need to do, if I click this View Details, I'll get a little pop-up box, and basically I just need to follow these instructions and obviously put the details into these boxes here. So how much Ethereum and obviously the destination address. So as you can see, we've put the amount of Ethereum and the destination address here. I can add a tag if I want to, and then all I need to do is obviously click the Confirm Manual Trading. Now just to underline where I've got this information from, so this is the Ethereum address, so obviously I've taken that. I've then put that into the withdrawal box here for my Ethereum, and you can see here that I've transferred the Ethereum that I've now got into this section here. There's quite a chunky flat fee here, which is about $8 or $9 worth of Ethereum that's coming out of the total. All I need to do now is obviously do the authentication code and then obviously process the withdrawal and click the buttons. The trader's finished. I've just had the email from it. Now I hope you sat down, because when I click this refresh button, obviously it's going to refresh this screen and we will get the results. So there you go. So that's the result of this little test. Completed ROI of 321 0.3%. So what does that mean? Well, basically I've increased my MNX coin from I think it was from 50. If you remember, we started the trade with 50 MNX coins, so in theory I should have an awful lot more if this is correct. So let's go over to XMO. So here we are on XMO. You can see this is live, it's not screenshotted or anything. And so this is the finance. So if we scroll down and we're looking for MNX, there we go. So there's our MNX, and I've now got 212, and again you can see this isn't screenshotted or anything silly like that. So there's my 212 MNX. So hopefully you can see that this amazing tool that we've got.
Now if you like what you've seen and you want to get started arbitrage trading, then make sure you click the link either above or below this video, or get back to the person that showed you this video. I'll see you on the inside. You have an amazing day and happy trading.